Hey guys, Clay here with Bryant Brothers Automotive Performance. Coming with you today, we just finished up this customer's 2005 C6 Corvette. We did our cam package on here. We did do LME ported and polished heads. We did the BTR Stage 3 camshaft, matched with a Vararam intake. This is a very common build that we do for customers, and makes really great power. You drive this car anywhere. You got a trip you want to go to the beach or something like that, you know, you can make it happen. But this all come together very nicely. We're going to send it home for its 500-mile checkup, and then we'll get it back in here and finish up the dyno tune. But we're gonna show you a few things on it real quick. All right, this one right here, the customer did decide that he wanted to go ahead and do ARP head studs, so that is an upgrade, you know, on this package. Most of them we do stock bolts in, but if you ever got future plans of boosting it and want to ensure that the cylinder heads are not ever going to lift under boost or have any issues, ARP stud upgrade is always a good option. But we're going to give you a quick sound clip of what it sounds like now. So if you decide that you want to modify your C6 Corvette, you want to upgrade the cam, do a set of headers, set of exhaust, anything, you know, down to a shifter, you know, we'll be happy to help you here at Bryant Brothers Automotive Performance, where we specialize in Corvettes.